Hello guys, what's up? It's Nelson from legitimateincomeonline.com. So guys, welcome to my review, which is 10 times commission machine review, and also you're going to receive a cool exclusive bonus when you buy 10 times commission machine. Okay,
yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
so 10 times commission is one of the product which is going to show you step-by-step simple blueprint on how to set up a powerful affiliate campaign. Okay, when you promote other people's product, you're going to make commission. Okay, 50%, 100%, it's up to you and how you're going to choose it. Okay, so inside the 10 times commission machine, which is being created by Cynthia Pentes together with my friend in Newman. Here you're going to find, this is on the sales page, by the way. So Cynthia, and here your Newman. Okay, this is one of the powerful training which is show you on how to start in making money, aka making full-time income online. Okay, this is exactly method which they using. I see them, you do it. Okay, and I see one of their potential with they making direct. As you can see, Cynthia Pentes and also John Newman here, they keeping making consistently income on daily basis. So it's one of the training which show you a cool step for you to start in making affiliate commission more than that amount. That's why they call it 10 times commission, on how to implement it more. It does not matter if you are more experienced. Okay, it does not matter if you never even make money online. The beauty of this method is just super simple. You just follow 3 simple steps, just get in. Okay, through the link below, by the way. Just go down there, you're going to land in on one of my bonus page, which are also going to give you some of the cool bonus, and then follow just the simple instruction, and then when you get 10 times commission, just go and start get paid. I'm also going to show you some of inside the members area, what you get and what you pay for. Okay, so by the way, this is how much they get when they implement this method. Okay, for show you some of the cool step. By the way, it's just $12 in one time. Okay, and also you're going to get in everything inside the members area together with their own bonus, which they mention in the sales page. Okay, this is the sales page. Some of the testimony here, people implementing this method and starting making banks. Okay, so this is totally a newbie. You keep all the profit. The traffic you generate 10 times machine is 100% free to get you keep 100% of the profit. It's totally newbie friendly. Okay, it's for anyone who want to make money online. It's going to start and make you a consistent income if you start implement it. Result is merely in a minute. Money loves speed, so you need to start and implement it immediately for you to start in making money. Okay, working in any country, this does not discriminate. Or you are like a SPA marketing did. Okay, maybe you want a visitor from Justin, either USA only, you want from UK or wherever. This is for anyone who want to start in their affiliate market business. For anyone to start implement this 10 times commission, it come from different kind of area. Okay, so that does not mean it's discriminated, so you need to get this as much as possible. There's a discount, by the way, so make sure that you go it, which is just $12 right now. Okay, and also there's some upgrade which you're going to find inside this method, inside the 10 times commission. So nothing to worry. I don't want to go through upgrade. I just want to give you an overview front end first on what you will see first and what you will receive for just in $12. Okay, so when you grab this, guys, because 10 times machine is one of the product which is going to show you on how to implement in those affiliate marketing for just in sending out in trafficking to your affiliate offer. Also a pre-sale bonus, they're going to give you a pre-sale bonus template which you can start in implement it immediately. Okay, you can start in implement, just the matter for you to import it. So here in the members area, this is what you're going to get. Okay, how the 10 times machine work. So you just mean that they're going to give you a pre-sales bonus, which you need to also send in traffic if you want that too, okay, because they implement different type of method. But if you follow one method or two method here, you're going to see a success in your affiliate promotion. Okay, so inside here you're going to see how they use this method. So you can see here the bonus. Okay, they send the traffic to your blog channel, then you go to getting bonus, and also how to set up your website. This is you're going to get a free website, okay, and also how to start in your YouTube channel, and a Aweber accounting creation, how to start. And if you want to build your email listing, as you can see here, John Newman, okay, how he start his channel, how he start making money, okay, and also how to set up a Aweber for you to start in collecting leads. Make sure that building an email list is very powerful. It's one of the things online business. Okay, finding a product to promote, also where to get started, which product to select, which is the one which is the best to convert. That is what you're going to see. Also, building a 10 times bonus page. Okay, or this is where you're going to get in a cool template for you to start in. You're just going to import this code, okay, and then that's all. I'm going to hide this, by the way. I don't want to display the code here because some of the people are crazy out there. Okay, so I'm going to hide the code. So that's how it is, guys. Okay, let's go inside, just buy 10 times commission, then you're going to get the code. Okay, also bonus delivery page, free buyer leads hack, how to get those buyer leads who buy those affiliate offer. Okay, also 10 times machine video. Okay, here you're going to learn how to review your video. Okay, video review structure templates, how to do that step by step. Also ranking your video. Okay, ranking description template, you're also going to get it. That's how powerful this is. Also on free traffic, where to get free traffic, also email promo mastery. Okay, here you're also going to get in the email template, which you can start in send out if you want to start in promoting affiliate offer. There's 1 day email, second day on how to do those inside there is always been mentioned. Also building a landing page, also free traffic again method, which you can use to start in making 10 times more better. Okay, buy solo ads leads, where to buy solo ads. Okay, and together with the case study, which they making money just from buying solo ads. Okay, another thing is 10 times brand secret, which is another video. So there's a lot of video which you're going to get, over 10 video for just in $12, guys, for just $12. So those are the simple things which you're going to get inside the 10 times machine. When you go through my bonus page here, you're going to find some of the bonus which I want to give out to you when you just buy this 10 times front ending price. For this, just the price, guys, $12.95. Okay, that's how cool it is. After that, you're going to get in everything inside here together with my cool bonus, which is bonus number 1, how you're going to learn how to boost your online sales. Okay, and bonus number 2, Facebook ads. Just I like to make sure one thing, Facebook ads, guys, you can implement it, you can just make money with it. That's cool. That is the traffic. You need traffic in your online business. Traffic is the backbone of any type of online business. If you don't have a traffic, you have zero business. That's point. That's true. Okay, be able to see the only thing about traffic, guys, you need those eyeballs. People want to see your offer, the high converting offer. That's all about. So make sure that you go through this bonus. Okay, some of the cool bonus on where to start in your advertising, where to see a cool Facebook ads, okay, which are still working and profiting. This is one of the bonus which is for you, which is directly related with the 10 times commission machine. Bonus number 3 is buyer click Rolodex. Okay, this is one, it give you which is one of the products from Mark Barrett. Okay, it's one of the cool guy. Okay, is one of the cool way for you to learning or to get in those solo ads. Okay, you can see inside the 10 times here there is a buying solo ads for leads plus case study. So I'm going to give you a buyer click Rodex. Okay, those are solo ads vendor. Okay, list of solo ad vendor which have high converting for your offer. The high converting for your offer. So there's a listing where you're going to get in buyer click. Okay, those people who buy your offer. Okay, so there's a list for that. Another one is 30 way to get in free traffic. So make sure that the traffic is one of the backbone of the online business. I already said that. Learn about 30 different way for method for getting traffic to your website. If you're not getting enough traffic to your website and time or money is a problem, okay, this is ebook is real for you. It's just a compilation of a traffic technique from 5 different online marketer. So it's just an easy technique, is free and take half an hour for you to implement it. Okay, also an affiliate marketing blueprint, how to get rich for just selling other people's products. Okay, this is the same thing Amazon do all the time. So this guide will show you exactly how to get in starting affiliate marketing by selling other people's product. Another one is listing building expert. Okay, here you're going to learn on how to build a huge list of hungry subscriber eager to learn and even buy. Email lists are extreme visual to the success of business when used properly. I know inside you're going to learn on how to set up your web account. Okay, and also free method, okay, building a landing page here, so that for you to start in collecting leads. So listed building expert is also going to be very useful for you. Another bonus is the newbie guide to internet success. If you're a newbie, this one is a cool guide for you to start in learning about the online marketing place. Learn how to sell a product on the internet is not a skill, that is optional, therefore you need to learn that. Okay, another one I always like to touch in double your traffic. Here in 10 times they give you a cool template, they give you a lot of templates. Okay, video description, ranking template description, and a cool way for you to start and set up your channel, free blog, and one of the a lot of stuff. Okay, I don't want to say the different technique with the give you. So double your traffic. So you need to know how to different way for you 10 way to double traffic from just in social media for getting those free traffic. I know 10 times also touch on that part, but also here you're going to find in 10 way for you to do that to increase more traffic. These are a bonus which have been provided by the vendor, by the way. If you go to the sales page, okay, you can see these are all the bonus which you're going to get. It multiplier, okay, one of the bonus which is a product from one of the person, Kylie, I think, Kylie or someone. Oh, sorry, I forgot about the name, brother. Okay, anyway, another bonus is agent suite. If you have an email list, this is one for you. So you're going to learn how to build your email list. I already told you about my bonus, how to building your email list. Okay, so agent suite is one of the product which show you on how to send in those email for agents, on how to set up every single step. It's one of the cool product, by the way, by John Armstrong. Okay, another product which is from Cynthia Bentes, which is also part of this 10 times commission machine, his boss secret on how to do a boss stuff, a cool way for her to set up his own online business. Okay, bonus number 5 is 350 per day for just send an email. Okay, as you can see here, guys, I already say build your email list building expert bonus which I give you. So here you can know that how Brenda Mess just making 350 per day for just sending one email or sending multiple email in a day. So this is also cool bonus. Also another product from Brenda Mess is 0 hours workday, how to build an email listing, set up a landing page, cool way, all about in online business. I already say video email list is an asset. Remember that. How cool is that? So make sure that you go through my bonus. I'll put the link down below. Okay, if you click any of the link, okay, you're going to direct it to the sales page here. This is the sales page. Then when you go to the sales page, there's a 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so nothing to worry. You can go to even buy, click here to grab the copy of 10 times machine. Then you're going to be redirected to to a secure Waro Plus form, okay, which you can just put your credit card or PayPal. You can pay through PayPal for just that's $12, okay, just $12, okay, nothing to worry. Then you're going to also to get in my bonus, okay, after purchase. Then you're going to get in your affiliate bonus, okay, which are all the bonus which I mentioned in here. This all of my own bonus, okay. Then this bonus will be delivered directly to the members area of 10 times commission machine, okay. You can go direct here, you can see there's a accessory bonus, then all the bonus which I mentioned are inside here, okay. So guys, that is what it's all about. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure that you do that. Make sure that go below, then click the link, okay. If you are from YouTube, then click the link down below, then you're going to click any of the link, you're going to landing on the sales page, then click any of this button here, okay, any of this button, which is going to be redirected to Waro Plus for you to grab 10 times commission, okay. So guys, that's all. If you have any question, please leave down below or hit me up on Facebook. I can help you if you don't receive your bonus, but I'm technically sure all these bonus will be available after you purchase. So thank you so much guys, and peace.